Hi and welcome to City Chat. I am Evan Costa, and here with me today, I'm going to be asking questions
about Ash Cuniff.
So, my first question to you is, where do you go to school?
Oh, I go to Central Middle School. It's in Quincy.
Who is your favorite character in a TV show and why?
Ooh, that is a hard decision, but I'm going to have to say probably Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons or Sean Spencer from Psych.
And why?
Because they're just very funny characters. There's a lot of humor in Sean Spencer. He does a lot of crazy antics. And I like how Lisa is really Lisa is usually the voice of reason, and so it's very funny when she gets into crazy antics too.
What is your favorite thing to sketch or draw?
My favorite thing to sketch or draw is my friends. My favorite way to show that they're my best friends is giving them drawings and stuff.
Who is your favorite / best friend, and what is their favorite food? More, who is a friend you know the most about, and what is their favorite food?
Wow, I don't know any of my friends' favorite food, but I'm going to have to guess on this one. Complete guesswork out here. I'm going to say my friend Naraya, and I think her favorite food is tacos.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is any dessert at all, but I really do like those candy fruit slices.
Why do you like the candy fruit slices?
Because they have the sour sugar on the outside, but then they're really chewy and they taste fruity. It's nice.
And what is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show at the moment would probably be Psych.
And why?
It's a comedy, and I really enjoy comedies. I just like the characters. It's funny.
Now, I heard you would like to ask me some questions.
Yes, I would. So the first one is, what's it like being in both Ireland and America? Tell me about that.
In Ireland, the air is really clean, the grass is really green, everything is filled with life, and you can actually find hedgehogs in any piece of wood.
Oh my gosh, I love hedgehogs.
And then in America, on the other hand, most things are a little less green and a little less vibrant, but it kind of makes up for it by having snow in the winter and getting hot in the summer instead of just staying a spring temperature at all times and barely any snow.
So what's the best part about Ireland?
The best part about Ireland is how close everything is to where I live. My school is, say, a 5 to 10 minute walk away from my house, and then Supermax, which is basically this really nice fast food place, is about a 10-minute walk from my house as well. And so is the center of the town I live in.
Wow, that's nice. So, what's your favorite food? Tell us about it.
My favorite food would have to be... I'm gonna go with wine gums, because they're these really hard candies. They're kind of like gummies, except a lot harder.
So like Starburst.
Kind of like Starbursts, but still jelly. And when you bite into them, they can either be grape, orange, apple, anything like that. And there's also sugar-coated ones, which are my favorite kind.
Wow, that sounds really good. What's your favorite book and why?
My favorite book would probably be, well, I don't have an exact favorite book, but probably the Percy Jackson series because of how much it goes into Greek mythology and like how true it is to mythology about most things and kind of just how they write it and how emotional it kind of gets.
Wow. What's your favorite character from that book?
Percy Jackson, because he is the son of Poseidon, and Poseidon is my favorite Greek god.
Interesting. So, what's your favorite activity and why?
My favorite activity is probably playing video games.
What video games do you like?
Minecraft.
Any others?
Minecraft.
Why do you like playing Minecraft so much?
Because you can play online with friends and you can build things with friends and you can survive and then build things with the stuff that you've accumulated over hours and hours upon maybe even days or months or years of work. And you can also add modifications to it so that it's more fun and it never really gets old because you can add new things at any time.
Interesting. And our final question is, what's your favorite TV show?
The Office US.
Why?
It's just a funny TV show.
Okay. Well, folks, that concludes our interviews.
Goodbye, City Chat.